Good afternoon, good evening. Just gonna talk about various subjects. It's been a while since I've been on, and I think, guys, we're gonna update the format for 2022. We're gonna update everything. I'm gonna have a whole new platform, whole new system, everything. It's a lot going on. So, better get it together. This time is now. I mean, over the last 2 years, I've been giving you guys input after input, trying to give you different ways to make money legally. How to maintain doing what's going on during these times. I told you it's not going to get any better. It's going to stay this way. And that's what it's going to be. It's going to stay this way. It's not going to get any better. You need to start learning about NFTs, crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin, the whole crypto space. You need to get acclimated with the whole crypto space. And that's really where everything is at right now. Like I always advocated for gold, own gold. Always advocated on silver. You may want to look into uranium at this time. Start trying to pick up uranium stocks, companies that mine uranium. It's time to broaden your portfolio. Have a cornucopia of different things to invest in. Try to buy companies as opposed to starting companies. And also have a new service that you guys can check out. The new service is you want to watch any television show, pay-per-view, NBA, NFL, any station. Instruct you how to access those channels and everything for free outside of my consulting fee. But you'll be able to have these stations for the duration. It's just gotta know where to look, and I can help you with that, so you can have access to Stars, HBO, Cinemax, NBA TV, NFL TV, news all over the world, programs from all over the world. You'll be able to access all those different things. And coming up, we'll also have our new station coming back. My old station, old network, Urban Stream. We're going to rebrand it. We're going to rename it. Urban Stream TV. You can look on Twitter. You can see we was the first to stream in 2013 in the urban space, pay-per-view. Now it's pretty much everywhere. It was a missed opportunity, but we never cry about spilled milk. We just keep going, moving forward, and innovate, create something new and better for the future. Look like the